Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Khera. So this is our 16th video for the Linux tutorial. So today's topic is LVM, Logical Volume Manager. Okay. So if we talk about the definition, LVM is a tool for logical volume management which includes allocating disks, strapping, mirroring and resizing logical volumes. With LVM, a hard drive or a set of hard drive is allocated to one or more physical volumes. LVM physical volume can be placed on other block devices which might span two or more disks. So what will we see in the coming video? We will see describe the LVM concepts, benefits of LVM, creation of LVM, resize or extend the LVM. Okay, so let's go. So what we'll do, we will first we will see through the diagram what it exactly LVM is. But before that, please like, share, and subscribe this video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that all the notification you will got. So let's deep dive into it. So this is our diagram of LVM, like how it works and what it is. So first, suppose we have two hard drives, 1 TB of each size, disk 1 and disk 2. We will create physical volumes from the physical disks. Okay. Suppose we have taken 500 GB, 1 terabyte of physical volume we have created from the physical disk. And then when we will create the volume group, and we will take the size of 500 GB from each hard disk. It's up to you. You want to take 300 or 200 size, whatever your requirement. As per your requirement, you can take the size. So here is a volume group we have created as a VG1. So we can allocate that particular volume group to two different fields. One is for the database field and second for the application field. Okay, and we have given the name LV1 and LV2, right? So basically what we will see, we will create the volume, two types of volume. First with the size, second with the extent. Okay, so right now we are creating the volume LVM with the size, right? So without wasting time, let's go to my machine. Let's log in here. Let me fill the password. Okay, so this is my login screen. So let me check my system. So this is my, I can say, hard drive is attached with my laptop. So this is the first hard drive SDA and second one is SDB. So we will create the volume with the help of this SDB hard drive with the partition of SDB1. So if you don't know or you want to know how to create the partition first, then my separate video we have created with the on this particular topic, how to create partition. I will share that link in the description. You can find it. So let's start. First thing what we will do, we will create the physical volume from the physical disk or physical partition. Okay, so let's do, so that command is pv create and the partition name, right? pv create and the partition name is the command to create the physical volume from the physical disk. Press enter. We have successfully created the physical volume from the physical drive, right? To see, we will use the command to check it. pvs is the physical volume, display is the command name, and if you want to see in a detail, then pv display is the command if you want to see in detail, so it will show in a details, right? Okay, we have a two physical volumes are here, so it will show us in a detail, right? Okay, so let's create the volume group now. So we will use command vg create for that, and the name of that particular volume and the name of our physical volume, right? So this is the command. Vg create is the command, vg1 is the name of that volume group and the physical volume name, which we have created just right. Press enter. We have created the volume group VG1 successfully. So if you want to see then same command VGS instead of VBS, we will use VGS. This is the VG1. We have created the volume group. If you want to see in a detail, then VG display is the command to see in a details. Whatever the volume group in your system, it will show all. So we have created this one and with the size of 500 MB because we have a partition of 500 MB, right? So let's create the LVM right now. So that command is lv create hyphen l and the size we will take 100 MB. You can take GB if you have a like a disk in terabytes or whatever the size you want to give it. And hyphen n for name, we will give this lv1, right? And let's do it in small and the name of our volume group. Okay, first we have created the physical volume, then the volume group. Now we're getting the L logical volume. Three steps we have followed, right? For LVM create, we have taken only 100 MB size out of the 500 MB, right? So we can resize it or extend it later, right? So this is the command lv create and hyphen l to give the size. We have given the 100 MB and hyphen n is for the name. Name is lv1 and the name of the particular volume group from where we are creating our LVM. Let's do it. It's saying that XFS signature detected, so it will wipe out the data. We said no issue, just do it. Okay, because during the creation of partition, I have assigned the XFS partition to this particular XFS file system to this particular partition, right? So our volume has been created. If you want to see this, LVS logical volume has been created with the name of LV1. Okay. If you want to see in detail, then LV display is our command. We want to see what was the name of that. Let me scroll it. So here it LV1 is our volume we have created. Okay, with the size of 100 MB. Okay, right. Okay, I want to add one more thing here. Just wait. If we see the LV display, okay, you can see here uh, the extent. Just wait. Okay, we will talk regarding later when we will create the LVM with the extent. Okay, so we have successfully created the LVM right now. So what we will do, we will give the file system this to this particular LVM mkfs.xfs. So is the fs is the latest file system to our LVM. LVM we have to mention the full path. Okay, mkfs xfs slash dev slash vg1 and slash lv1. Press enter. So we have successfully assigned the file size to that particular logical volume, right? Okay. So this is our if you mount it, we have to, if we want to use it, so you have to mount it somewhere. Okay, you can mount it anywhere. So like I will create one directory mkdir slash, suppose I will create lv. Okay, so I will mount it mount slash dev slash vg1 slash lv1 and where we are to mount LP, right? So we have successfully mounted here, right? So, but this is a temporary mounting. We will, if you want to mount it permanently, then we have to do the entry in a FS file system table, right? How to do that entry? I will share the link in a description regarding the mounting, and we will do the entry in FS tab in a when we create the volume with the help of physical extend, right? To save the time, I'm just not doing right now. So let's resize it or extend it. Okay, so for that we will, so right now you can see this is the size of 100 MB, right? What we will do, we will extend it, lv extend command, we will use hyphen l, and then we give the size size should be 100 MB. Okay, then plus 100 MB. Okay, and the name of this particular volume which we want to increase. Okay, and LV1, right? This is the command. LV extend is the command. Hyphen L is for the size which we want to increase. Okay, and the LVM name. So it shows 100 MB we have successfully extended, and the now size is 200 MB. So it shows some extents, 25 extents. So I will create a separate video, next video for that particular what is, because I have already told you that in the beginning of the video that we can create the, or we can extend the LBM in a two ways. So first method is with the size. We have given the proper size. Now, in next time we will see how to create and extend, or how to use this particular LBM with the extents, right? So let's see the size. So right now the size is 200 MB. Earlier it has 100 MB. So we have successfully extended our LBM. So guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my video and wait for the second video where we use extend to create the LVM. So that's it for this video. Thanks.